Higgsfield is completely free.
Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you something kinda insane. How to generate unlimited AI images and videos using top-tier models like Seedance, Nano Banana 2, and Kling for completely free. No joke. The website is Higgsfield and the link's in the description. Soon as you land on the page, you'll see a banner up top that says 1-day unlimited free trial. Click sign up right there. You've got a few sign-up options, but I'm just gonna roll with Gmail. It's the fastest. It'll ask you a couple quick questions, answer those, and just like that, your account's ready to go. Now on the homepage, you'll spot a button that says Get Unlimited for $0. Tap on it, then you will see Get Free Trial for $0. Tap on it. Heads up, it's gonna ask for your card details. I know that sounds sus, but don't stress. You're not actually getting charged right now. It literally shows $0 on the payment screen. Fill it in, confirm, and your 1-day unlimited trial is officially live. Quick way to check it worked. Hover over your account section and you'll see 1-day free trial with 0 credits. That's totally normal. That's how it's supposed to look. All right, let's make something. Head to the Image tab and click Create Image. You'll see a bunch of models here like GPT Image, Seedance, Nano Banana, etc. And look, some of them have this little unlimited tag. Those are your unlimited models you can use for this trial. I'm picking GPT Image 2. Set aspect ratio, quality to medium, and, this part's important, flip on unlimited mode. Paste your prompt, hit enter, and there it is. First image done in seconds. Let's try a different model. Nano Banana 2. Same steps, set quality, aspect ratio, unlimited mode, and tap on generate. And check this out. I've got 0 credits, literally 0, and it's still generating for me. That's the whole point of this trial. Second image is done, and honestly, that image is crazy. Now let's level up and make a video. Head to Video, tap Create Video, tap Model, and whoa, there's a ton of options here. Kling, Gemini Omni Flash, WAN, Seedance. And again, anything with that unlimited tag is fair game. Let's start with Seedance 2.0. Drop your prompt in and make sure you've got it set to 8 seconds and 720p. That's the sweet spot for staying unlimited. Flip unlimited mode on, hit generate. It'll take a minute to cook, but look at this render. That's genuinely impressive for a free trial. Now let's switch it up with Gemini Omni Flash. Pick the model, set it to 7 seconds this time, choose your aspect ratio, unlimited mode on, and generate. Boom, second video, ready to go. And yeah, you can run this exact same process with Kling too. Results are just as solid. Okay, last trick, turning a still image into a full video. Head to Image, pick your model, drop your prompt, set your quality and aspect ratio, unlimited mode on, hit generate. There's your image, and it's actually pretty sick. Now go to Video, tap Upload Image, go to your Image Generations tab, and grab the image you just made. Set your settings, hit Generate, and there it is. Full video generated from a single image. That's wild for free. All right, super important part, don't skip this. Head to your profile, tap Manage Account, and tap Cancel Auto Renewal. This makes sure you don't get charged once the trial ends. While you're there, go ahead and remove your card info from the bottom of the page too, just to play it safe. And that's it! You just made 2 AI images, 3 AI videos, and even an image to video, all for $0 out of pocket. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment if you want me to test out more models on this platform. Catch you in the next one!